Hi everyone, welcome into to our weekly live stream as always at 6 p.m. London. Um, Today I will start today's live stream for um, uh, from telling you guys who I met yesterday. I'm not gonna actually say who I've met. I will say that I had a pleasure to go on a business meeting slash dinner with a blogger yesterday that is not English speaking. She speaks Russian and Ukrainian, and it was just a wonderful meeting. We've discussed both of our projects. She's starting a not starting. She already started her own project as well. It is related with crypto and also with something else. I don't want to open the details today. Long story short, we've talked for about 2-3 hours yesterday. Had a great time. And most likely, we're going to have a mutual live stream next week, and it will be on Russian speaking live stream, but I will most likely be holding it. The blogger has almost 1 million followers on Instagram with that blue thing. So, she's big. So we're going to have a mutual live stream. We're going to talk about crypto in general. We're going to talk about both Grand Time and what she's starting, and she's going to give a bunch of feedback of how she feels as a newcomer in the valley, how her journey goes project wise, what she does, what we do, and it's just going to be really really interesting. So if anybody is interested, I'm going to let know today that we're definitely going to have the stream next week, and we're going to announce it as well, so do not miss out. This will be a great live stream to watch. It's probably not gonna be our usual 15-minute meeting. It's gonna be longer than that. Uh, but yes, so this is what I was doing. What I was doing yesterday. Also, the I've got a message from the professor yesterday, also from the UVU professor, and she told me that after the conference, the university had gave us her another room since she has a lot more students. She've had over 200 students sign up for her classes after this conference. So it's just awesome. I love when people tell me about something that they have achieved, that they're growing. Usually people would call or text you and ask for something, ask for help, ask for for advice, or anything. But it's very rare when people would just talk to you, and I'm not talking about close friends. I'm talking about people that you just met for work, or we're discussing business. And this is what our relationship with her is basically. But she decided to text me and say, hey, look at what my boss told me. That's what she told me. Look at what my boss says, that we're getting another room. We've had a lot more students signed up, and this is beautiful. I really like that. I really appreciate it that she chose me to share with this information. So if Charlene is watching, thank you. uh this is another thing. Other than that, guys, I'm not gonna go to the marketing details or PR details, just because there are not really much more details to talk about. And I think I am ready for the questions. So if we have questions, I'm ready to answer them. And we'll be looking forward to, the Sunday's live, and especially the beginning of the week one. So Olga, do we have any questions?
Hello, Rafael. Yeah, we get some questions.
Okay, you're breaking up. Can't hear you.
What is the difference between the financial, stock, and cryptocurrency exchange?
Could you repeat the question one more time? You were breaking up. Hello. I think there is a problem with the connection today on
Okay,
Olga's side.
did you hear me?
I hear you. I hear you now, but I do not hear
My
if you
connection
asked
is
something.
bad.
That's okay.
Okay, I try to repeat it.
Okay.
Uh, okay, the question is, Rafael, could you please explain me what is the difference between the financial, stock, and cryptocurrency exchange?
I would say mostly what it, from my point of view, it's what it backed with is it's more open because it's on blockchain. If talking about crypto, decentralized currency, and it's more of a people's choice of what the price would be and etc. And the structure itself, the structure of the token as a blockchain structure, it's listed there. That's how the tokenomics work, and that most of the tokens work on a smart contract that is set the way it is and cannot be changed. So this is the beauty of the current, of the crypto in general. Nobody can, you know, issue more. Let's say talking about Bitcoin, as an example, and you can take Grand as an example. The contract says that there is a certain amount of tokens that will be issued in the total time. So until a certain point of time, people will mine it or buy it and stuff, and then it's just locks. And if we take as an example, if we take Grand as an example, the same thing happens basically, but in one day, and then the rest, whatever is not mined, gets burned as deflationary mechanism, and there are more obviously more deflationary mechanisms for it, but this is this is what how blockchain currency is different from the stock that we're all used to. I don't buy stocks. I don't honestly, to be honest with you, I don't even buy um, crypto. Not gonna lie, I did play with a couple at some point just to see what it is. When I was getting into crypto a long time ago, but I am not a fan of you know buying something that I don't know about. And by saying don't know about is that you're not in there like us. We are in grand time. We hear live streams all the time. We know what's going on. Um, you guys see the market all the time, like you see the phases. Let's say if we're talking pre-sale, so you understand the project, the philosophy, where it's going. But if you're, I'm not gonna call names of other coins, but as an example, you hear that everybody talks about the certain coin, and everybody's rushing, to buy it and to make some money. When this is the goal, when you have a goal to invest to make some money in a short term, most likely you're going to lose. This is a very, very big chance of this happening. I know people that, traders, and I know people that are call themselves investors with smaller amounts of money, and there are short-term people that are getting into the project, make a couple of X's, and then get out. But again, you have to know the insider's information. You have to know the owner of the token and stuff like that. But if we are the people that are looking, reading the news, watching YouTube videos or anything like that, and everybody's talking about a certain coin, most likely it is too late to buy it. If you would read about it, if you would know it when nobody else knew about it, um, and you felt that this particular currency has the future, this is a great time to buy. If nobody, when nobody knows, nobody believes, nobody understands. People, the average, most, the majority of people start to say, hey, this is going up, or this is going down, or I watched this video, I watched that video, and they're not inside the project, you know, that's not something you guys need to pay attention to. This is just my personal opinion. Again, I'm not naming any coins. I'm not saying the names of any ones that are either failing or going up. With the market today, everything's going down. But in general, so I like that, the people inside the community, our community, let's say as an example, we watch lives, we see the posts on social media, our posts, we see what's going on the inside of the platform, and this is the most, the most beautiful thing. And once it goes up on the media, it's already too late for someone. I'm talking about when the coin is already on the exchange, when it's trading and stuff like that. So there are very, very many tools that coins use to make boosts. And if you guys are liking this topic, I would be more than happy to, have a separate live stream talking about that, about, buying and trading, and what my opinion on that is. So, sorry, I was too long on this question. It's just, every time somebody asks me about, um, a lot of times I get the question like, what do I need to buy? And I start going, getting on that. So, sorry, let's go to the next one.
Thank you, Rafael. The next one is from Larissa. Rafael, there is a general decline in cryptocurrencies right now. And when will there be a rise?
Well, I am not, um, um, you know, I can't predict the future. It will go up anyways. Everybody understands that. And yeah, right now everything's dropping significantly, but it already happened before. It's not the first time it happens. And again, this is going, this is what the beauty of the, coins backed by something that's stable is. We see that even blockchain can go down, price wise, but talking about when exactly it's going to rise, back up, I can't say. I can't even predict. I don't want to predict. And this is not something that we need to really pay attention to. I don't think it's a necessary thing to look at. Market is going to go back up anyways. It's just a matter of time. I don't think it's going to be a long time, maybe a couple of months or so, half a year. I don't know. I don't know the answer to this question. But let's answer the next one.
Thank you, Rafael. But that's all.
That's all. Okay. All right. That's all for today. Then we're gonna be wrapping up our live. I will be back on Wednesday for our usual live stream on Wednesday at 6 p.m. London as well. And then we're going to announce in our chats and social media of when we have a live stream with who next week. So thank you all. I will keep you guys posted on what's going on, and I will see you on Wednesday at 6 p.m. London. Thank you, and bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye, Rafael.